Is your hair thinning as you go through peri and post-menopause? Well, don't y'all want to do something about it? I am putting hair growth products to the test for the long haul. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here, your curl dresser. We are continuing with the EVOLVh brand Better Roots Growth Support line. You know I've been taking the capsules and I have been using the serum. So let's take one of my Better Roots. This is the size of the pill. It is a very doable size that I'm going to do right now. Cheers. Now I want to show you how the Better Roots Serum goes on really nicely. This is the color of the product. And when you put it on, it soaks in immediately. I'm looking at the mirror behind the camera. But you see how there's no residue. It's not oily. It soaks right in. I used that before I sprayed in a little bit of the Smart Curl leave-in conditioner because I can't leave my hair with nothing in it while I'm getting ready. My ends are still pretty wet, but I think we'll spray a little more. The one thing about the Smart Curl leave-in conditioner, it needs to sit for a minute or two before you apply your product. I'm guessing it's to help close the cuticle, get the ingredients inside. It's always fun, right? As I was preparing for this video, one thing I discovered is that there's a lot of clinical studies that EVOLVh has put into the Better Roots line. I am going to encourage everyone, if you're interested, to most definitely go to their website to read about all of the ingredients that are in each of these growth support products. It's super interesting. And I mean, if it's accurate, wait till you hear the numbers. It's crazy. But I digress. Their shampoo stimulates the hair follicles for better growth, and they use 3 scientifically backed ingredients, or actives as they call it. There was no graphic of the ingredients for the shampoo, so I'm going to hopefully make my own, but it's a little late, so I might not get to it. One of those ingredients is a mix of red clover flower and biomimetic peptides. Their name for it is Capixyl, C-A-P-I-X-Y-L. This is clinically proven to provide the solution for fuller, longer, healthier hair at any life stage. Okay, that's a nice way of saying the A word. A word? Down below. It doesn't come out of my mouth if I can help it. They use the pea sprout extract, which is the anagain, which I have done in previous videos, so you'll have to check that out after this one. They also use prickly pear stem extract. They call it aqua cactine. Now, they did clinical studies. Wait for it. Both men and women showed that this was exceptionally soothing and provided firming for the skin. Okay, you know where my head goes because my face is falling. So if it's going to firm, maybe it could go into a skincare product. It was found to be hydrating even in rinse-off products. So that means it could go into a cleanser and be rinsed off. Body, face, soak in it. You know me, my curlies, kicking and screaming. Now, in all honesty, I am giving you such the basics on these ingredients. It's really interesting. If you go to their website, you go down the page, if you scroll down, you'll see the list of ingredients. And if you just click on it, it shows you right next to it. So I would definitely check it out because I didn't want to bore everyone. It really is a good read. What they say as far as the healthy growth benefits of the shampoo, it balances the scalp microbiota, which is the microorganisms that live on every living thing. And that balance helps to support that hair growth. It rebuilds, strengthens from within, reduces hair breakage because of the key ingredient, Capizil, that boosts density by up to 46% after 4 months, accelerates hair formation by up to 50%. It improves anchorage by up to 400%. I like these numbers. Now, the directions are to squeeze a small amount. And when they say small, they're not kidding. Because the first 2 times I had such a massive lather, I used way too much. Ready for it? That is how much. If you don't get a good lather, to do a second shampoo, you massage it into your scalp, and then they say to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're going to rinse it with warm water. Then I use the growth support conditioner. For my first run over my ends, I probably used about that much. And then after I did that on the mid-lengths to my ends, I did about half of that in order to do around, my front hairline areas, and then combed all of that through, put it up in an alligator clip, and of course I forgot the plastic bag, so I just had to go hair clip. The conditioner uses 4 clinically proven ingredients. They use ceramide NG, or hair flux, which is a trademark name, that reduces hair breakage up to 82%. They use castor oil esters, or Pro Shine, and that gives you the intense shine and color enhancement. They use pine tree terpenes, or citropol, and that has less buildup than regular silicones. And they also use creatine, or Cosmo C100, which is an amino acid derivative. Seriously, my curlies, you need to go and read about all these ingredients in depth. The key benefits in the conditioner: 3 times increase in hair strength, smooths and eliminates frizz, hydrates and detangles, softer, silkier strands and a brilliant shine, and reduces fading in color. Their directions are to focus the conditioner on the mid-lengths to ends, which I did, apply it, and then rinse. If you need intensive moisturizing, which means us, you can leave it in for up to 5 minutes, of course in an alligator clip. Now they say to rinse with warm water. What? We need cool water. I'll check on it. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up while you're watching. Share me to anyone you think could use this. And don't forget to subscribe. I know a lot of watchers are not subscribed. Well, what are you waiting for? An invitation? Consider this your invitation. Pretty please with sugar on top. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit the bell icon. Go to all. This way you're notified every time a new video posts or a short. Don't forget to turn on notifications on your actual phone for the app itself. When I got out of the shower, I pulled the hair out of the drain for you. This is 3 days, and it's a lot less than what had been coming out of my head. So I really think that the Better Roots growth support capsules and the serum are really starting to help. Then as I was combing through the Smart Curl, I did get more hairs that I kind of put into like this little tiny, I rolled it into a little tiny ball. Now we are moving on to the Better Roots Growth Support Styling Foam. They use 4 clinically proven ingredients that improve hair density, minimize shedding. It supports hair repigmentation. That means getting color back and not having to color your hair as much. They say within 3 to 6 months that the hair will appear naturally fuller and thicker. Well, the word naturally means that there'll be hair growth. So I'll accept that. Now, they're clinically proven ingredients. I'm telling you, if I see half of these numbers, I would be thrilled. I mean, come on. If it's true, I'll use the foam on my scalp and I'll use different products in the rest of my hair. You're going to want to stick around till the end, my curlies, because we want to see how the styling foam works in my curls. Here's some of their key ingredients in the styling foam. They use the red clover flower and biomimetic peptides, the basil root extract. This inhibits the alpha-5 reductase 2 enzyme. This is the enzyme that converts to DHT, and that's the cause of hair loss. Now, they also use biomimetic peptides that they call gravers. Reverse. I like the sound of that. It is clinically proven to increase pigmentation up to 66%. 66%? I'm so excited about this. I really hope it works. They use the pea sprout extract, which is the anagen. And now for the key benefits of the styling foam. Promotes a healthier scalp environment for hair growth. It adds weightless volume with natural movement. Has all-weather style durability, including resistance to humidity. Improves curl separation, definition, and integrity. Prevents flyaways and frizz. Provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and UV protection. They say to apply 1 to 2 pumps. Oh, and I didn't show you the pumps. Silly me. 2 pumps of the foam. Looks like this. And they tell you to massage it into your scalp to increase pumps for amplified results. Experiment. Play. Have fun. I have an idea. God, you guys know I love to do this stuff. Let's put the standard hair oil to the test on half of my hair and see if there's a difference. So they say 1 to 2 pumps per section for curly hair like mine. Okay. 2. And I guess we'll do the left side. Since my left side is my thicker side, then we'll see really how much it helps or shines or softens, defines. I don't know. So another 2 pumps. And for the back. Or half of the back. Let me flip to see if I can get the curls forced back in. A little stuck together, a little confused, darling. Now it's time to try to fix some of these curls, hopefully get them to behave and do what I want them to do. And I'm going to diffuse with the Bellissima Dyphon Supreme Diffuser with argan and ceramic technology, which is why when subscribers say I have no frizz, this is why I have no frizz, because it doesn't blow my hair all over. If I could marry this, I would. I've said it before and I will say it again. Okay, my curlies, what you are going to see now has no sound. Sucker went off and I didn't realize it. My hair is already decrunchified and fixed and finished. So I will try to narrate as best I can what is coming up. I am sorry, I apologize. OMG, my curlies, do you see the shine? I mean, I put the extra oil on the left side and it absolutely gave me more shine. Now it is time to decrunchify. Okay, I'm using 4 squirts and I am going to squeeze it into the curls to reduce friction. And of course, I have to flip and fluff to get it off the scalp. Shake it out when you come up, my curlies, and let's take a look. What do you think, both sides? Let me know down below, please. Well, my curlies, I hope you enjoyed the video, even without the sound. Until next video next week, cheers, and ciao for now. Holy crap. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wow. I meant to get this video started at about 12:30, 1 o'clock. 3:30 now. Friggy diggy. Okay, friggy dig. Both men and women, both men, oh, I'm blowing bubbles. Then we move on to their shampoo, their conditioner, duh. Okay, I know a lot of subscribers. I know a lot of subscribers. Growth Support Styling Foam. Styling foam? Wow, okay. Another cop car. 4, 2, 3, what the hell is going on? Crap. It's significantly in a clinical study. But I cannot redo it because my hair is already decomposed.